Hello there, welcome to the Clever Car Collection. Today I've got something very special to show you. It's a Skoda Octavia that has got some interesting history, which I'm going to tell you all about. But let me show you around it. So this car has covered 132,000 miles. That's a lot, isn't it? However, been very well looked after. Look at it. So the owner who previously had this car has bought, guess what they bought from us? Of course it was another Skoda Octavia. They loved it so much. They've sold this one because it was getting a bit old for them, but we thought it was too good to send to the scrap heap, so we're selling it as spares or repairs. Now you might be wondering why that is, and it's because we can't actually put a warranty on it. It drives fine. It has got a new MOT on it with a few advisories. You can find them in the advert, but there's nothing major. Rear direction indicator slightly discoloured, so an indicator is slightly discoloured. The rear subframe is corroded but not seriously weakened. Had two advisories for tyres, but he has replaced both of those. He loved this car so much that when he brought it to us to bring it in here for part exchange yesterday, he cleaned it first. We haven't even cleaned it. This is how it turned up. Beautiful owner in terms of looking after it. So there are a few marks on it. Luke, come on, we'll just show people around. I mean, the fact this is a 2010 car, you can't really see too many marks. Decent sized vehicle as well, lots of space in the back. I mean, have a little look inside. Very clean. Very clean. So you might be wondering why we're selling it as spares or repairs, and that is because we can't put a warranty on it. So what we are doing, we're selling this as spares or repairs. It's effectively a trade sale, but that's why it is the price that it is. That's why we've priced it the way we have. But as I say, an MOT until 1st of April next year. Not a joke. It has had... Is it really? You were really born on April the 1st? Well, there you go, viewers. Luke, born on April 1st, not a joke either. Extensive service history, I've got a big book of it. Last year, in November 2025, this car had a new gearbox, a whole new automatic gearbox at a cost of £1,500. It's got services in 2012, 2014, 2016, 2 in 2016, 2 in 2017, 1 in 2019, 1 in 22, 1 in 23, when the bumper was realigned after a small knock. So this is a category N, which means an insurance company has written it off. What the previous owner did is, because they loved this car so much, they bought the car back from the insurance company for £100, and they fixed the rear bumper. I have seen in the service history, the cost of fixing that small bumper prang was £132. Now, that was enough to write this car off with the insurance company, but as you can see, you can't really tell. But that's why it's a category N. So in terms of the actual car, 120 brake horsepower, 1.4 litre petrol, 45 miles to the gallon. Let's show the viewers around it as I'm giving them some facts, Luke. It's insurance group 16E. It has got road tax, £225 a year, and it is ULEZ compliant. As you can see, very good condition on the outside. Clearly has been loved, this vehicle. Lots of decent specification. It's got FM, AM stereo, aux in, electric windows, powered mirrors, heated powered mirrors. And actually, look at that. I mean, that seat doesn't look like it's been sat in, but I know it has done because I met his wife. Very nice car. Very nice car. But yes, that's the reason we are selling it as spares or repairs. So we'll just show you in the boot. I mean,
the boot's ginormous.
It is a big boot, isn't it? Has it got a spare wheel? Yeah. Yes, it's got a spare wheel. Also, very unusual. So, anything else I need to tell you? No, not really. If you want to buy this car, come and see us here at the Clever Car Collection. Drop us a note on our website. Give us a call wherever you've seen this advertised, and you can come and drive this car away. Can you drive it away? Yes, you can. Of course you can drive it away. It's yours. You can do what you want with it once you pay for it. But like I say, sold on a spares or repairs basis, no warranty, and that is because of all the reasons I've told you in this video. Look forward to seeing you very soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.